Hey, how's it going? I am starting from nothing with a YouTube channel, right? And if you listen to the introductory video, then you know that. But the lighting is slightly better on that because I will have already opened this, which is a ring light that I got. I believe it was $25. There'll be a link in the comments. But starting from zero, this is it. There's a blank wall. I'm using an overhead ceiling fan light. My dog is coming over to get some attention. And I ordered this because it was inexpensive, had good reviews, and there's a clip in the middle of the ring light to mount your phone, which is my only source of video at this moment. Again, this is a YouTube channel from scratch. There is nothing fancy. Phone is a couple generations out of date. I do not have audio. I'm pretty sure by now you can tell that. There's no microphone. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay. All right. So we have 3 boxes. We got a tripod, we got an envelope, and another box. Let's just start with the tripod because we know what that is. I'm just going to put this over here. There we are. First impressions before it even comes out, it is kind of heavy, which is good. I'm a little bit older, so to me, weight means quality. All right. Loosen that up. Okay, there's our legs. We have extenders and then the clip on the top. Beautiful. Okay. Move that off to the side. Let's not fall off the table. Let's move on to box number 2. Well, that makes sense. This is the ring for our ring light. There you go. It's USB powered. It does have a remote on the cord. Looks like we've got power, brightness, and possibly a color change. Okay. So I'm just going to assume, oh, it did come with directions. If we get terribly lost, we will consult directions. But I'm just going to assume that this screws down onto that. All right. And then envelope. Some sort of mounting hardware. Another remote. That'll be handy. More mounting hardware. Okay. So here is the clip to put your phone in sideways, which is how most of these will be done. I know right now it's vertical. Yeah, it might stay vertical for a little while. It'll just depend. Anyway, we have a phone mounting clip and other toys. So this is the ring light. That is its unboxing. And I will let you know what I think after I've had some time to play with it. Looking forward to building this channel. Anyone that wants to follow along certainly can. Again, channel was born out of frustration of wanting to get started, wanting to make things, clicking on videos for simple things, and then people having a ton of customized tools. Everything that I got, with the exception of my phone, obviously, and this chair that I'm sitting on, was about $100. And that will start a video channel on making things. So $100 introduction or introductory fee, not terrible. Sorry, I'm going to keep playing with this. And we'll go from there. And hopefully some of you will be intrigued or also be starting from zero and follow along. and we'll see where we go. All right, well, until next time, thank you. Have a great rest of your day.